programming the SOFAR inverter to change the state of charge setting for economy charging overnight. So first, to the left button, into the menu. There's 5 options. I go for option 1 with the right hand button, enter setting. There's 9 options on this page. I use the down arrow just to scroll down the first page. Onto the second page where there's 3 entries, I go down to the second one, number 11, work mode set. Right hand button again to select. There's 4 options here. It's already on option 2, set time of use mode. That's the right option for taking advantage of economy 7. So I select that with the right hand button, and I now need to select all of the settings on this page and change the ones I want to change. I don't want to change the time, so I've got charge start 21:15, charge end 07:15. But using the right hand button, I select each option in turn. 2115 0715. Now for the set aimed state of charge, we're moving into spring, so I want to reduce from 100%. I'm going to use the down arrow, so the first number goes down to 0. I enter it with the right hand button. With the arrow, the up arrow now, I'm going to set the second digit to 60, and the enter button, 50, and the final one's a 0 already. Enter. Success, that change has been accepted. With the left button I can go back up to the home menu and see the current status.